Amazon is packed with gadgets, but some are so clever, unusual, and impressive that they're impossible to ignore. These are the kinds of products that instantly grab your attention, make you stop scrolling, and leave you wondering how you never knew they existed. In this video, you'll discover some of the most amazing gadgets you can find on Amazon right now, from incredibly useful inventions to devices that look like they're straight out of the future. If you enjoy videos like this, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing gadgets. For rooms where installing a regular air conditioner just isn't practical, this MEPTY portable swamp cooler gives you a much simpler way to cool down your space. It doesn't need a window, a hose, or any complicated setup, so you can unpack it, plug it in, and start using it right away. It works as a fan, air cooler, and humidifier in one unit with 3 modes, 3 speeds, and wide 120-degree oscillation to spread the airflow across the room. The remote control is especially useful at night, and the 12-hour timer helps save energy while you sleep. It also runs quietly, so it won't disturb your work, study time, or rest. For an extra cooling boost, you can add frozen ice packs to the water tank. You can get it for $129.99. Outdoor time feels completely different when you have a shaded space where people can actually sit, eat, and relax without fighting mosquitoes the whole time. This East Oak pop-up screen tent gives you a 10 by 10 foot protected area for the patio, backyard, beach, camping trips, or family gatherings. The 4-sided fine mesh keeps the air moving while helping block bugs, and the Oxford fabric with UPF 50+ protection adds shade during the day. Setup is quick enough for one person, and it folds into a compact carry bag when you're done. The reinforced steel frame, stakes, sandbags, and tie lines help keep it stable, while the top hook lets you add a light for nighttime use. It's available for $135.95. A kitchen counter can look messy fast when bread bags, muffins, bagels, and rolls are all sitting in different corners. This Arise bamboo bread box gives everything one clean place, while still making the kitchen feel warm and organized. Its 2-tier design gives you extra storage space without taking over the counter, and the clear front windows let you see what you have before opening it. The built-in ventilation holes help control moisture, which is important if you bake at home or want your bread to stay fresh longer. It also has a raised base, side handles for easier moving, and a flat top you can use as extra shelf space. It's a practical upgrade that looks good instead of adding more clutter. You can get it for $69.97. Keeping 3 Apple devices charged usually means carrying separate cables, blocks, and a messy setup on your nightstand or desk. This KUXIU magnetic wireless charger turns that into one compact station for your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods. It folds down small enough for travel, but opens into a sturdy charging stand you can use in vertical or horizontal mode. The magnetic connection helps align your iPhone quickly, while the aluminum alloy body gives it a more premium and durable feel than basic plastic chargers. It also includes a 45-watt GAN adapter, USB-C cable, storage bag, and supports fast Qi 2.2 wireless charging for compatible iPhones. For anyone who travels or wants a cleaner charging setup, this feels practical without taking up space. You can get it for $78.99. A bathroom feels much more comfortable when your towel is warm, dry, and ready the moment you step out of the shower. This electric towel warmer brings that spa-like detail into your daily routine without making the space look crowded. Its 8-bar design gives you enough room to warm or dry multiple towels at once, and the fast heating system spreads warmth evenly across the bars. The built-in timer and automatic shutoff add peace of mind, especially if you use it in the morning and don't want to leave it running all day. It's made from durable 304 stainless steel, with a matte black finish that looks clean, modern, and more expensive than a basic bathroom rack. You can install it as a plug-in unit or hardwire it for a more seamless look. You'll find it for $245.99. A garden path or driveway looks much better when it has warm lighting guiding the way at night. This 8-pack of solar pathway lights adds a clean, cozy glow without cables, outlets, or complicated installation. Each light uses a glass shade, metal post, and warm 3000 Kelvin LED tone, so the result feels more elegant than basic plastic garden lights. They charge during the day, turn on automatically at dusk, and shut off at dawn. They're also waterproof and made for outdoor use, so you can place them along walkways, lawns, patios, or entrances. You can get the full set for $39.99. Cleaning the litter box is one of those chores that never really waits, especially in homes with more than one cat. This PetPivot self-cleaning litter box makes that routine easier by handling the waste cycle automatically, without needing an app, subscription, or complicated setup. The open-top design feels less enclosed for cats, and the low-access step helps older cats get in and out more comfortably. It also includes 7 pairs of infrared sensors, a touch-sensitive safety pedal, and anti-pinch protection to help keep your cat safe during cleaning. The delayed cleaning cycle gives the litter time to clump first, helping reduce sticking, smearing, and leftover mess inside the unit. It also works with standard clumping litter, so you're not locked into expensive proprietary refills. You can get it for $149.99. Some rooms feel too quiet when you're trying to sleep, focus, or help a baby settle down. This Magicteam white noise machine gives you a simple way to create a calmer background without using your phone all night. It includes 20 non-looping sounds, from white noise and fan sounds to rain, ocean, birds, stream, and even a crackling fire. You also get 32 volume levels, so it can stay soft for a nursery or go louder when you need to block outside noise. The timer lets you choose 1, 2, 3, or 4 hours, or keep it playing continuously. It's small enough for a nightstand, office desk, or travel bag, and the memory function brings back your last sound, volume, and timer settings. You can power it by AC or USB, and you can get it for $22.99. A desk can feel a lot less boring when there's something small on it that actually reacts to you. Ivy is an interactive AI desk companion designed like a smart plant pet, with over 100 expressions that give it a playful personality without becoming distracting. It works as office decor, a small indoor planter, and a little tech companion all in one. The app-guided care, real-time alerts, and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi support help make plant care easier, especially if you like greenery but forget watering schedules. Its quiet design makes it easy to keep on a desk, nightstand, or shelf, and the cute lemon-style look makes it feel more personal than a regular plant pot. It also makes a memorable gift for coworkers, plant lovers, teens, or anyone who likes unique gadgets. You can get it for $89.99. Some areas of the house never feel fully clean with a regular cloth, especially grout lines, greasy corners, bathroom edges, and the inside of appliances. This portable steam cleaner gives you a deeper way to handle those spots using hot steam instead of harsh chemical sprays. It heats up in about 15 seconds and comes with 16 accessories, so you can switch between brushes, nozzles, scrapers, cloths, and other tools depending on the surface. The 6 steam levels make it easier to clean delicate areas or tougher buildup without using the same pressure for everything. The large water tank, long hose, and handheld design also help you move around kitchens, bathrooms, floors, furniture, and even car interiors with less hassle. It's a solid option for anyone who wants one machine for many cleaning jobs. You can get it for $69.99. Taking out the trash feels a lot cleaner when you don't have to touch the lid, the bag, or the mess inside. This Airdeer Smart Trash Can opens with a simple hand motion or knee movement, making it useful for kitchens, bathrooms, bedrooms, or small offices. When the bag is full, it can seal the trash automatically with one touch, and after you remove it, the can replaces it with a fresh bag on its own. It also includes voice prompts, a 4-gallon capacity, and a rechargeable battery that can last for months. You can get it for $129.99. A cup of coffee can go cold quickly when you're working, editing, studying, or jumping between tasks. This Vobaga mug warmer keeps your drink at a steady temperature right on your desk, so you don't have to keep reheating it in the microwave. It has 3 heat settings, letting you choose a warmer or softer temperature depending on whether you're drinking coffee, tea, milk, or another hot drink. The flat heating plate is easy to wipe clean, and the sealed design helps protect it from small splashes. It also has a 4-hour automatic shutoff, plus a flashing safety light that warns you when the plate is still hot. For a home office, nightstand, or work desk, it's a small upgrade that feels useful every single day. You can get it for $20.99. A bedroom can feel much calmer when the lighting helps you slow down instead of keeping the space bright and overstimulating. This POCOCO Galaxy Star Projector turns the ceiling or wall into a soft planetarium-style view, with optical film discs that show stars, constellations, the Milky Way, and other space scenes in high definition. The light is gentle enough for relaxing before sleep, reading quietly, or creating a peaceful mood in a child's room. You can adjust the angle, use the timer settings, and even switch between battery or plug-in power depending on where you place it. The replaceable discs also make it feel fresh, because you're not stuck with the same projection every night. It's a great gift for kids, couples, or anyone who enjoys cozy room decor with a little bit of wonder. You can get it for $99.99. Drying clothes indoors can get messy when you don't have enough space, and using the dryer for everything can add heat, shrink fabrics, and raise the electric bill. This JAUREE folding drying rack gives you a larger and more flexible way to air dry clothes at home. It expands when you need room for shirts, pants, sheets, blankets, or heavier laundry, and folds down slim when you're done so it doesn't take over the house. The stainless steel frame supports up to 130 pounds, while the locking hinges help keep it stable during use. It also includes 20 windproof hooks, making it useful for patios, balconies, laundry rooms, or outdoor drying. For delicate clothes or everyday laundry, it's a practical upgrade that saves space and energy. You can get it for $52.99. Entryways can get messy fast when shoes, keys, socks, and everyday items all end up in the same corner. This Yusaki shoe rack gives that space a cleaner system without needing a large piece of furniture. It has 4 levels for about 9 to 12 pairs of shoes, plus 2 drawers for smaller items like gloves, sunglasses, keys, or shoe accessories. The wood top gives you an extra surface for decor or daily essentials, while the metal frame and Oxford fabric shelves keep it lightweight but stable. It also works well in small apartments, closets, bedrooms, or narrow hallways. If you need more height for boots, one shelf can be removed, and the adjustable feet help keep it balanced on uneven floors. You can get it for $49.99. Running out of ice is annoying, especially when you're making iced coffee, cocktails, smoothies, or drinks for guests. This ice cube tray set keeps everything more organized because it comes with 2 ice trays, a storage bin, a lid, and serving tongs in one compact setup. The stackable design helps save freezer space, while the covered container keeps the ice cleaner and easier to grab when you need it. The release button trays make it simple to remove cubes without twisting, banging, or spilling water everywhere. It's also useful for parties, daily drinks, or keeping extra ice ready without loose trays taking over the freezer. For a kitchen, home bar, or coffee station, it's simple but very practical. You can get it for $15.99. A laptop setup becomes much easier to manage when everything connects through one clean hub instead of a pile of adapters. This 14-in-1 USB-C docking station lets you connect dual HDMI monitors, DisplayPort, Ethernet, USB devices, SD and micro SD cards, audio, and up to 100 watts of power delivery through one compact dock. It's especially useful for workstations where you need extra screens, a wired internet connection, keyboard, mouse, storage drives, and fast file transfers without constantly plugging and unplugging. Just keep in mind that your laptop's USB-C port needs to support display output, and on Mac OS the external screens may mirror instead of extending separately. You can get it for $49.99. Keeping floors clean every day is much easier when the robot does more than just vacuum. This Roborock Cravo Series robot vacuum and mop combines strong 8,000 Pascal suction with dual spinning mop pads, so it can pick up dust, pet hair, crumbs, and also scrub everyday stains from hard floors. The all-in-one dock adds a big convenience factor because it can empty the dust, refill the water, wash the mop pads, and dry them after cleaning. It also uses LiDAR mapping to plan efficient routes, remember multiple floors, and avoid common obstacles like shoes, cables, furniture, or stairs. The anti-tangle brush system is especially helpful for homes with pets or long hair, while the app lets you schedule cleanings, set no-go zones, and customize water levels. You can get it for $499.99. Printing a document while traveling, studying, or working away from your desk becomes much easier when you don't need ink, cartridges, or a full-size printer. This TATTMUSE portable thermal printer connects wirelessly by Bluetooth and gives you a compact way to print notes, schoolwork, office documents, forms, or travel papers from your phone or laptop. Since it uses inkless thermal printing, there's less maintenance and fewer supplies to replace. It's also lightweight enough to carry in a backpack or work bag, with a battery designed for longer use and safer low-heat charging. The automatic paper release helps reduce the frustration of jams, while the upgraded print head keeps pages clean and readable. For students, remote workers, or anyone who needs a small mobile printer, it's a very useful gadget. You can get it for $49.99. Outlets behind sofas, nightstands, desks, and cabinets are usually the ones you need most, but they're also the hardest to reach. This easy outlet extender brings that power access forward without drilling, rewiring, or moving heavy furniture. It plugs into your existing outlet, extends from 22 to 34 inches, and rotates 180 degrees, so you can position it vertically, horizontally, or wherever it fits best. It gives you 2 AC outlets, one USB-A port and one USB-C port, making it easier to charge your phone, lamp, tablet, or everyday devices from one spot. The top even works as a small phone rest while it charges, and the included damage-free Velcro command strips help keep it secure on the wall. For tight corners and hidden outlets, it's a simple fix that makes daily charging much more convenient. You can get it for $49.88.